Hello guys, this is a simple tools used to record the voice, and I start with a microphone, and this used to record the voice, and this one it is so simplistic. I'm going to show you inside. This is the pipe, and this one is the pipe, and this is the iron which used to assist our mic. This is the simplest mic from the earphone, and this you can connect it like this here, and this it is simplest to make it. You can connect like this here, like this one, and other this is the hard wire, and this is the pipe. This pipe is the electric pipe which used to assist our microphone, like this here, to send a well, and this one you can put anywhere. Headphone. This headphone can help you to hearing well the voice which are you recording. This it is wireless, but I'm changing it to use the wire. You can connect it to the speaker like this here. This is the wire which it is go direct to the speaker. This is the speaker, like you see here, and other it is filter. This filter I'm using the top of the bucket, and I'm cut it, and this is the nylon like this. You see here, this is a nylon, and this is the hard wire which I'm used in order to make shape. You can connect like this here, like you see here. Don't forget subscribe, like, share, comment our video when you like this video.